everyone. Welcome to Liberty Lotus. And today we're going to be doing a bit of a different kind of a thing from what we usually do. This time I'm testing a Temu drone. So this was on sale. You can see it's more of a smaller sized drone, about palm sized. But overall, very light, very cheap, about 30 bucks. So we're going to see if this Temu drone is really worth the money. Hopefully it can get decently good video quality, audio quality, decently good for camera filming or anything like that, but who knows until you test it. Okay, so the way I'll be seeing this is by testing out how well it can take off, how well it can maneuver around, as well as what kind of maneuverability and agility it has. Most drones will be fine, but it varies on the drone depending on how well they can really move. So let's see here. Let's do a one-click takeoff. Right off the bat, that's not working correctly. Okay, so seems like the software is not as reliable as what I would want. It says it's connected now. Let's see here. Not going, not moving. I'm gonna troubleshoot, I'll come back in a bit. Okay, so I'm not even gonna bother trying to reset everything. I'm just gonna use that to synchronize. But right now, drone is on. It's looking good. Let's start seeing what we can record. So I'm gonna start recording off of that camera. It should, theoretically, have enough capability to do that. Okay, let's turn this around. And that's first gear, maximum speed. Let's try second gear. Let's step it up a notch to second gear here. Wow, okay, a lot faster. I'm gonna keep it off of third gear because it actually does move quite fast when it's on proper power. Safe to say it does move properly. Software not as good as I thought, but overall, pretty good handling. It's actually pretty good. Let's check it out again. Let's do some tighter motions. I don't want it to be too far from the camera, so I'm gonna start doing some figure eights. Let's see if I can do that. Having it come so close to me and having it move closer to my body like this, when I do that, that is so freaky. But it's great at it, so there you go. It's actually quite maneuverable. It does drift a little. It has a bit of a tendency to drift, but you know, could be a lot worse. And remember, 30 bucks, not bad for 30 bucks. But I wouldn't say it's a professional drone necessarily. So varies depending on what you need. If you're looking for something really good, not the one for you, but anything intro level like me, perfect. It's a perfect drone. Okay, let's get this thing landed again. And what I do like, even though this stuff is not necessarily reliable when it starts up at least, it does have really good starting and stopping features. So I don't know how well this shows on camera. Let me show you here. You can actually see a bunch of different takeoff and landing buttons. I'm going to give you a better grid that you can look at on the screen. Should be overlaid right around now. But this thing actually does have a bunch of different settings. So it does have photo mode, it does have videos, it's got ways to upload to the computer, it's got ways to record that, obviously, one-click landing and takeoff. So that's pretty good. There's a headless mode. Not sure if that means server controlled, but if it does, we're going to be on it. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, overall, good drone for its price. Absolutely great for its price. I don't know what it retails for normally. I guess try and find it, but lots of really good features here. Overall, this is probably going to be a good test bed for most of the stuff that I'm going to be doing in the future, since something like this is just too convenient of a package to leave out. This is just too easy to use, really simple to add additional pieces on the top here. It's a perfect right angle, nothing in the way. So these kind of things are going to be very useful, especially in the future of the channel. So check it out. Liberty Lotus OA.